15 Secrets to overcome your limits and become a better version of yourself. 1. Set clear, specific, and achievable goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated on what you want to achieve. 2. Believe in yourself. Self-doubt and fear can limit your potential, so it's important to have confidence in yourself and your abilities. 3. Take calculated risks. Sometimes, in order to achieve something great, you have to be willing to step out of your comfort zone and take risks. 4. Learn from failure. Failure is an inevitable part of life, and it can be a great teacher if you're willing to learn from it. 5. Continuously educate yourself. The more you know, the more opportunities and options you have in life. 6. Practice self-discipline. It takes a lot of self-discipline to stay on track and achieve your goals. 7. Take care of yourself. Physical and mental well-being are essential for success, so make sure you're eating well, getting enough sleep, and taking care of your overall health. 8. Be adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and being able to adapt to change is a key to success. 9. Be proactive. Instead of waiting for things to happen, take charge of your life and make things happen. 10. Be persistent. Success requires persistence, so don't give up when things get tough. 11. Build a supportive network. Surround yourself with people who will support and encourage you on your journey. 12. Be positive. A positive attitude can go a long way in helping you achieve your goals. 13. Focus on solutions. Instead of dwelling on problems, focus on finding solutions. 14. Take responsibility. Understand that you are in charge of your life and take responsibility for your actions and decisions. 15. Never stop growing. The pursuit of self-improvement should never end, so always strive to be a better version of yourself. It's important to remember that everyone has their own journey, and things that work for one person might not work for another. Therefore, it's important to experiment and find what works best for you. Hope this helped you some way. Thank you for being here and had a look.